Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about establishing psychological control. Electrical stimulation of particular parts of the hypothalamus, limbic system and amygdala areas of the brain is discovered to elicit specific psychological actions consisting of rage, aggressiveness and fear. For many people, these unfavorable feelings are harder to control than positive emotions such as love, joy, security and pleasure. Nevertheless, in sophisticated yoga nidra, specialists are asked to ascend voluntarily to these threatening feelings while preserving a state of deep relaxation and witness awareness to the entire process. This practice brings into simultaneous operation nerve circuits in the opposite hemispheres of the brain which, under normal situations, never ever run at the exact same time. Thus a new neuronal circuit is developed which includes two formally reconcilable states of awareness concurrently, e.g., love and hatred, enjoyment and pain, pleasure and sadness. This happens in such a method that relaxation and witness awareness of the clashing and contrasting psychological reactions are kept. With repeated practice, this brand new circuitry becomes an established reaction, making it possible for the professional to gradually surpass the realm of traditional human suffering, which arise out of accessory and hostility for the duality of life experiences in the life of a spiritual aspirant. Transcendence of this barrier of duality is a prime goal. It is accompanied by the single experience of an increasing sense of happiness which lies beyond the boundaries of satisfaction and discomfort, all other dual ideas. At the psychological level, the fruit of this practice is a removed outlook in life and maturity of the character. Yoga Nidra hence establishes control of the psychological reactions and free reactions. This evolutionary advance is reflected in life as increased perceptual awareness, emotional control, and increasingly mindful fate.